Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about enum in Java. Enum stands for enumeration. Enum is used to represent a group of constants like the days of a month like Sunday, Monday and so on. Or it can also represent like January, February and so on. To create one enum, first you have the enum keyword followed by the name of the enum. I'm gonna call it colors, and then inside the curly braces you have to put in the constant elements like red, green and blue, and at the end you have to close there with a semicolon. So we have created one enum called colors with the elements red, green and blue, and make sure to write them in capital letters because they are of course constant elements. Just like array, these constant elements have their indexing, and the indexing starts from 0. So the first element is at index 0, second element at 1 and third element at 2 and so on. We can put the enum inside of a class or we can place them outside of a class. It's totally fine. To access the enum elements you have to use the dot operator, like we can write colors dot red and this will access the first element. Similarly, we can access the second element and we can write colors dot green, and either we can put them in a colors variable x or we can print them onto the console using the print method. And the colors dot green will access the second element in that list and will print green onto the console. So we can create one enum type with the enum keyword followed by the name of the enum, and we can store a bunch of constant elements, and we can use the dot operator to access the elements from the list. So hope you understand the concept of enum in Java. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.